Good morning, my friends, and welcome to your 5-minute stretch in bed to start your day out right. Let's begin by bringing both knees in towards the chest and taking them around in some circles in one direction. And then reversing your circle, starting to wake things up here. And now widen the knees out, either staying right here or perhaps taking a happy baby by catching hold of the outsides of the feet and encouraging the knees towards the shoulders. And wherever you are, start rocking the head from one side to the other, letting one ear find the bed and then the other ear. It might even feel nice to still keep your eyes closed here. Breathing deeply. And then release. You'll very slowly come to sit on the edge of your bed. Take your time getting there. Roll the shoulders back. And start circling the wrists as you bring the arms up overhead, keeping the elbows nice and straight. And then circle the wrists the other way as you bring the arms back down. Let's take that one more time. Reaching tall. Getting ready for the day ahead. And then release. Shifting towards the side a little bit so you can extend your right leg on top of the bed. Let the left knee hang heavy towards the ground. We'll take a gentle forward fold over that extended leg. You can definitely keep a soft bend in the knee, bringing a little bit of attention to the hamstrings and lower back. And then keep the legs as they are as you straighten the upper body up and lean over towards the right. So the right hand or forearm can rest on the bed beside you. And you could even reach that left arm overhead, finding a nice side body stretch. One last inhale here. And exhale to press your way back up. Sitting on the side of the bed once more. And starting to roll one shoulder back and then the other. And have a little bit of fun with this movement, perhaps. Make it your own. What we do first thing in the morning can often set the tone for the day. We'll shift to the second side, lengthening the left leg on top of the bed. And finding your forward fold, letting the right knee hang heavy. The legs are really relaxed here. So think about maybe letting the upper body fall just a little bit closer to that leg on every deep exhale. And slowly straightening up, keep the legs as they are to find that side body stretch. Leaning towards the left and maybe taking that right arm up and overhead. Left ear falls towards the shoulder. Perhaps even finding a sentiment of excitement about what awaits you today. And we straighten up, sitting on the edge of the bed once more. Let your hands find your knees for a few rounds of cat-cows, inhaling to look at the ceiling and arch the spine. Exhaling to round, chin falls towards the chest. And just take a few more at the rhythm of your own breath. A little bit of life and energy for the spine. And then release that. We'll cross either the right knee or the right ankle on top of the left knee so that we can take a gentle twist towards the right, looking over that back shoulder. Growing taller on the inhale, twisting further on the exhale. Bring yourself back towards center, other side, left knee or ankle on top of right knee, and eventually finding that twist towards the left. Think about sinking the shoulder blades down behind you, creating a little bit more space. Bringing yourself back to center, roll the shoulders back. Beautifully done. Please do make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't already, and I hope to see you again tomorrow morning.